So to begin, the first killer is being clever to a fault. So what is this? Basically being too wordy in the email. Right off the bat, it's kind of wordy if you look at it, right? If I read a little bit of it, I'll read the middle sentence. Recently, we've seen clients realize 6 to 7 figure annual supply chain savings with the implementation of blank. If you've been looking into this previously but haven't quite cracked the Da Vinci Code, I'd be happy to chat. I've been through dozens of implementations over the years, and I'm happy to share the upsides and downsides of this direction. Wow, I'm winded. I wrote that. A little too wordy. So what we want to do is maybe simplify that a bit. Clarity is king. Think billboard effect. You know, people are busy. They get hundreds of emails a day. Let's make it quick. Let's make it short. Let's make it concise and easy to read. So a bit easier to read to some guy, email marketing the right way. My team at B2B Bandit specializes in digital and in-person marketing. Specifically, we help our clients get in front of potential customers the right way. If you've been looking for help implementing or improving your digital outreach, I'm your guy. Interested?